Milestone, nestled in the hub of China's manufacturing industry, Dongguan, with 2 expansive production factories, we churn out over 150,000 PCs handbags each month, all crafted with unparalleled quality and pioneering efficiency. Every department of Milestone operates in seamless collaboration, dedicated to crafting exceptional service experiences. We wholeheartedly prioritize meeting customer needs and continually strive to set new industry benchmarks, including business department, RD department, material cutting department, edge oil department, production line, package department, warehouse department. Backed by extensive experience and cutting-edge technology, our commitment lies in offering our customers limitless possibilities. Throughout our manufacturing process, we meticulously capture and respond to customer needs, swiftly offering tailored solutions. Employing the most fitting processes, we adeptly translate customer requirements into high-quality products, ensuring flawless presentation. At Milestone, our monthly output of 150,000 PCS handbags is a testament to the collaborative efforts of our team and the meticulous layout of our continuously refined production lines. These production lines are efficient, stable and intelligent to ensure that every link is accurate and resulting in the delivery of excellent quality products to our customers. Our unwavering commitment to prioritizing product quality is evident in every aspect of our operations, from stringent production process requirements to our solemn pledge to customers. We leave no stone unturned in ensuring excellence. Whether it's selecting raw materials, assembling components, or conducting meticulous process inspections, we're dedicated to maintaining a consistent high standard for every handbag that's made in Milestone. We uphold rigorous inspection standards at every stage of production, from meticulously scrutinizing raw materials and processes to conducting thorough input process quality control (IPQC), final quality control (FQC), and quality assurance (QA). With an unwavering commitment to excellence, we approach each production link with meticulous attention to detail. We understand that continual improvement is essential to earning and maintaining our customers' trust and to achieving efficient, high-quality production. With our efficient customer communication and responsive approach, coupled with our rigorous production process, we consistently uphold industry-leading delivery speeds. For instance, our production time for samples is typically 3 to 7 days, and custom drawings of hardware are completed within 2 days. This isn't just a core competence of Milestone. It's a significant factor driving why many clients opt to partner with us. Our commitment to professionalism and efficiency underscores our dedication to earning and maintaining the trust and satisfaction of our customers. To enhance the service experience for our customers, Milestone is steadfast in bolstering its R&D and manufacturing capabilities. Additionally, we offer customized design and production services, swift response and shortened delivery times, multilingual support, quality assurance and certification, as well as market analysis and trend forecasting. We eagerly anticipate collaborating with you to achieve a win-win result.